Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nuralam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today, once again, I am here. As you can see, this is a natural area, and this is a airport area. As you can see, airport near, very near. This is a airport. Okay, and this is building name Crown Plaza. Okay, so uh, okay, so actually I am a very beginner learner, so that's why every day I try make video like motivation type, like my daily routine share, and I like my learning journey share, or like my everyday learning part share you. Okay, so that's why I make video and I came here. And as you can see, this is a, this name I don't know. Okay, actually I don't remember. Okay, so let's go our main topic. Actually I want to share you, don't be shy. Actually this topic is very important. Okay, actually first time I tell you, I tell you, this is uh, a public place, like everyday uh, uh, everyday here, especially here everyday morning time come and go public. Okay, okay, uh, okay, so, and that's why I came here, because I am very shy person. Okay, and I am very afraid person. Okay, I am uh, uh, very very fair person. Okay, so that's why I came here, because actually I want to really learn English, and I want to really my shyness remove. Okay, so that's why I came here. And here uh, all time, like as you can see here, come here one brother. Okay, but I but my this video recording not stop. Okay, continuous recording, because I want to remove my shyness. Okay, so that's why I don't stop my recording. Okay, so actually only just 1 month ago, 1 month ago I cannot, uh, I could not, I could not, like short sentence make, like long sentence make, like I don't know how to make video like in front of camera. Okay, I was very shy. Okay, so that's why I could not this. Okay, but everyday practice. Okay, like public place, like my room. Okay, and my friend, and we and me and my friend with practice. Okay, so every day I try, I try practice. Okay, because you know, my brother and sister, uh, if you um, if you want to uh, daily practice, never uh, you learn. Okay, or never you speak. Okay, never your shyness remove, right? So if you really learn English, and if you really your shyness remove every day, you just practice, like public place, like your room, like your friends, and you practice like alone. Okay, this is your uh, your shyness remove tricks. Okay, so every day you just try. Okay, not only just one day, first day, or only just one day practice, but after next day or after next day you don't practice. So this is not possible, brother. Okay, so that's why every day you make habit, or you consistency create. Okay, so I believe it. If you really learn English, you just try your method. You just try your habit. You just try create your habit. Just try uh, create consistency, because I believe it. Every hard work person, every loyal person, every good person, one day you will be success. Okay, so that's why don't worry, brother. If you really learn English, you just follow your technique, you just follow your method. I don't tell you, my follow, uh, uh, you do follow my rules. No, brother. I want to you uh, you create a new method, learning method, or you create your learning different idea and follow your idea. Okay, every day. I can I never uh, uh, never I tell my follow. Okay, so if you really remove your shyness every day, just practice every day, make video like in front of camera, like you tell, speak public place. Okay, first time this is a very hard. Okay, actually, that is situation I face one month ago. But right now, I don't care another person. I don't care uh, shy, shy. Okay, every day just practice. Okay, and when I record my video, and here come and go people. Okay, but as you can see, this is a playground, like they are they are they are boys play cricket, like play football, and like as you can see, and here this is, I don't know this name, uh, game. Okay, and as you can see, this is a street. Okay, and as you can see, uh, under ponds, this is street. Okay, and here connect with another street. Okay, so actually want to understand, just this is a public place, but I don't uh, speak. Okay, actually, if you uh, tell wrong, another person cannot cannot understand. Okay, so don't worry. uh, you just tell, you just speak English loudly. Okay, if you really learn English, you just tell loudly. Don't care another person, don't care uh, pupil. Okay, you just follow your rules, you just follow your method. Okay, I believe it. Inshallah, you will be success. So, my dear brother and sister, you know, every hard work person, one day success, one day you will be one day will be success. So, actually, you create your method, learning method, and you create your habit, and you create uh, daily consistency. Okay, so I believe it. Inshallah, you will be success. Okay, so don't worry. You just try your best. Okay, inshallah, you will be success. But every day, create your consistency. Every day create your habit. Okay, every day follow your routine. Every day follow your method. Every day follow your habit. Okay, because uh, only just single day never success. Okay, success is a very long term. Success is not short term. Okay, like this is a process, 1 year, 2 years, years. Okay, come success. Okay, not only just one day. You practice, you learning, you reading, and come to your success. No, brother, uh, every successful people yearly hard work. Okay, yearly create habit. Okay, so not only just one day practice, not only just one day create habit. This is a long term process. Okay, so that's why if you really learn English, if you want to really speak English properly. Okay, so that's why you just follow your method, you just follow your technique, you just follow your consistency. Okay, not only just one day, not only just uh, one day practice, you will be success. No, brother, as you can see here, many there are many talks. Okay, and uh, come here, come come coming. Okay, okay, don't worry. Come to our main point. So I tell you, success is not just only one day practice. Okay, success is a very long term. Success is a very not only short term. Okay, so if you really learn English, if you want to really properly speak English, so every day just practice, every day just consistency make, every day just uh, create your habit. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video and enjoy with me. Okay, so I want to just only one thing, keep learning, keep practicing, never give up, and every day just consistency. Okay, believe in yourself, and I tell once again, believe in yourself. Okay, uh, never give up, brother, because I want to really learn English, I want to really speak English, because English is a very important. English is an international language, so that's why English is very important. And we have to we need to uh, we need to English learn English, English learn. Okay, so that's why every day I try my best. Okay, so if you want to um, everyday practice and everyday consistency make. Okay, so as you can see, this is dog. Okay, uh, and here two dogs, as you can see. Okay, I want to this video finished. Okay, so see you soon next video. Pray for me, and see you soon next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.